For this voltage divider, VA would be 3.33 volts and VB would be 1.667 volts. For this Arduino and processing code, the error that occurs is because processing has the string being split at /t, when in Arduino, they are being split by comma. For the following code, the radius of the circle is 5. Here's my digital Etch-a-Sketch. So right now it's in the top left, since they're both all the way to the left. If I turn the X coordinate clockwise, it'll start going to the right. If I turn the Y coordinate clockwise, it'll start going down. Doing this counterclockwise makes it go left. Doing this one counterclockwise makes it go up. I've now modified the code to make the circle bigger and also make it blue. And I also made it so that when the circle moves towards an edge, it won't clip past the boundary. Instead, the edge of the circle will just meet the wall and not move any further. I'm trying to turn the potentiometer all the way, and it stops. Now I've modified the code so that it changes its color palette depending on its XY position. So in the top left, it should be black. In the bottom left, it's blue. Bottom right, it's white. And top right, it's yellow. And there's a range of a bunch of colors. Now I've added a graph that tracks the Y coordinate over time, with each tick mark on the time axis being 50 milliseconds. As I start to turn the potentiometer, the dot will move and the graph's value will move up and down. Now I'm going to erase this picture. This moves the eraser up, this moves it down, this moves it left, this moves it right. Let's start by moving it to the right and switching this to be in positive instead of ground. Then let's move it down. Now let's move it to the left. Let's move it up to get that last bit of that shape. As you notice, it doesn't actually go over to the text when I move it. So I actually missed that. I want to move that down and go back to the right. Now let's go all the way left. And move it up. There we go.